Assalamu alaikum, respected teachers and all viewers. This is the demonstration video of locality based app, our final year project. First of all, I would like to thanks to all my teachers and jury who helped us a lot, especially our supervisor Sir Saad, because his guidance and his teaching made us complete our project.
This is a poster of our project locality based app based on abstraction and key features. Moving towards the report, before making the project, we do some analysis by preparing use cases of buyer module, rider module, seller module and admin module. Then we do the realization of all use cases through which we identify the classes. Then we make the class diagram through which we identify the relationship between classes, and with the help of use cases and realization we prepare the sequence diagram which define each activity flow in sequence. This is the ERD of our project with 3F normalization form. Throughout this project, for the retrieval of data, we use the APIs with volume. The retrieved data is stored in model class, and with the help of adapter class we display that data in UI widgets. In login class, by hitting this URL we get the response either success or fail. If success, we move to the buyer panel. In sample class, products are displayed with grid recycler view with span count 2. In seller history, we use the list view to display the data which we are getting from the API. In maps, tracking or rider route, we use the Google Map activity to display lat long a route or a route on map. In seller new order, we use a nested recycler view. In app, we have 3 panels: buyer, seller, rider. Suppose if I log in as buyer with these credentials, we can do e-shopping, discussion, tracking, searching, and can view history and cart. In shop now, we have a list of shops of locality. By clicking any one of them, we can view products and can also add them to cart. On clicking the product, we can view the details of product along with its comment and can also give our comments regarding that product. On the basis of these comments, product and shop rating will be protected. Here cart contains all the products which were added to cart by user previously in order to proceed further. We can also increase or decrease the quantity of that product. On clicking to the button checkout, these products would be sent to respective sellers so that it would be delivered to us soon. In forums, on visiting to this page, we will be able to directly interact with admin and other users. The purpose of this page is to facilitate the user to discuss the problem with directly admin without facing any difficulties. In search, we can search any specific product or category rather than scrolling a lot to find a specific product and then add to cart. Now, if I log in as seller, seller can check new orders received from buyer, can add, update and delete product or category in my shop, also can view history and complain to admin. In new orders, seller can view the new orders in order to accept or reject which he received from buyer. My shop consists of further 4 functionalities. In category, we can define new category. In products, we can add the product for particular category. Now, if I log in as rider, rider can view new orders, history, can track buyer in order to reach him and complain to admin. In new orders, rider can get the order that the user places and seller accepts. Details of order would be mentioned here. In tracking, in between delivering the order, rider can view user live location, or can see the route by clicking on the button show route.
This is the admin panel of locality based app. We have created admin panel to overwatch and control the features and users of the application. I will log in through ID password. Now this is the dashboard where admin can see the total shops and users. Alongside we have shares the orders and running shops, where we have shown buyer queries as well. Now for seller and rider queries, we have a separate section for that. LB complaints. Here you can see there are 2 complaints by seller panel and 0 complaints by rider panel yet. So these are the complaints where I have shown contact as well, where admin can contact directly to a seller or a rider who has reported a complaint. Now if I take you to LB users, so here we have total buyers are 11 and total sellers are 6 and total riders are also 6. These are the details where we can edit their information accordingly. If someone has forget their password or etc things, he can come up to admin to edit it and get access to his account. Or if someone wants to change his email or contact, he can come up to admin, where we can also register any user. So I am registered successfully, and we can also, now this is the shop section where I will show you that where I have registered myself. These are the shops by rating, and there are all the shops where we can also appoint a seller or shop. So these are 2. I just register myself as Gibran Ahmed, and there is one Afdaz John. So these 2 sellers are without any shop. The rest sellers are already having a shop. So if I apply myself a shop, so now my name will vanish from here. So yeah, that's it about the controlling of admin panel.